interesting conversations that I have with my patients. And this, honestly, it's not even really to do with hormone therapy today. This is just a little video. You could completely skip whatever. I'm posting it to see how it sounds. That's mainly it, how it sounds and how it looks. Because a patient that I was telling about the YouTube channel and how, I wish it could be just a little bit better, a little bit easier to listen to and watch. They mentioned, well, bring back, get the circle light, which you can see that I got another one of those by the reflection in my glasses. I had broken my last one, and I didn't really know that it made that big a difference, but they, said, yes, it really can, and I can see it makes me show up a little bit easier, clearer, crisper. And then they said, get a little microphone to put in. So I got this little doodad right here. Relatively, cheap investment. At least the one I got was, because I'm not a wealthy individual. But I do this stuff in my own free time just to kind of put out information for transgender hormone therapy processes, questions, things like that people have who are either maybe DIY or maybe they just can't ask their provider for whatever reason. And I would like it to be a little bit more easy to watch, easy to listen to, but again, like one, I'm a technological dummy, and two, I'm not independently wealthy, and this type of channel is not one that really garners a whole bunch of like monetary success, I suppose. I mean, I'd love for it to, because we do take any money earned from the ads and things from this channel and put it towards our patient assistance fund to help our patients that are a little less fortunate than everyone else. But anyway, so mainly this video is just to put up so I can see how it looks and how it sounds. So feel free to ignore it. The whole time I've been talking here, there's been mild to moderate traffic in the background. I told Joel previously we moved and we will be moving again, but right now we live right along a busy street. So there's all this traffic sound in the background of my most recent videos, and it's driving me crazy. So this cute little microphone also has a kind of a little noise canceller. So hopefully that will help out with some, if not all, of the background noise. And in a couple months when we move again, it'll be in a much quieter location, thank God. Anyways, so trying to learn some stuff, trying to do some stuff. Y'all just ignore me for now, okay? All right, bye.